In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cash account on Xero. We'll set up a manual cash account for things like petty cash or cash on hand, and then record a simple receipt into it. Start on your Xero dashboard. From the main navigation, open accounting, then go to bank accounts. This is where all your cash and bank balances live. So adding a cash account here keeps everything together for reporting and reconciliation. Click Add Bank Account. Because a physical cash tin or drawer doesn't have an online feed, choose Add Without Bank Feed. When prompted, click Continue. You'll now see the form to enter the account details. Add a bank name that makes sense for your records. It can be something descriptive like cash on hand or petty cash, whatever your team will recognize quickly. Next, enter the account name. This is the name you'll see throughout Xero when selecting where money is coming from or going to, so keep it short and clear. For account type, select Other. This tells Xero it's a manual account and that you won't be connecting a bank feed. Enter an account number if your region requires it or if you use an internal code. Keep it consistent with your existing numbering so it's easy to search later. Then choose the currency for this cash account, usually your local currency, unless you physically hold cash in another currency. When everything looks good, click Add to create the account. Now, let's record a receipt into that new cash account. In the top right, click the plus icon and select Receive Money. Choose the cash account you just created, such as petty cash, and click Next. Fill in the details for this receipt. In the From field, select the contact who provided the cash, such as a customer or a trusted generic contact you already use. Add a clear reference, like opening float or a date-based note, so you can trace it later. Then select the appropriate item for what you're receiving. Pick the option that best represents the income or reason for the cash coming in, matching your usual coding. When you're satisfied, click Save. That's it. Your cash account is created, the receipt is recorded, and the balance will now appear under bank accounts. A couple of quick tips as you go. Use names and references that your whole team will understand. Always match the currency to the cash you actually hold, and keep your receipts handy so you can reconcile activity easily. With this setup, your petty cash stays accurate, auditable, and ready for clean month-end reporting.